In this video, we're going to compare the pressure coefficient from Fluent to our experimental pressure coefficient. To do this, let's first create a chord line at the span-wise location of point 2. So go to Location and select Line. Call this chord 2. The first point that we're going to use will be 0.1155, and our second will be 0.73038. The z location in our orientation is negative 0.2. Select Apply. And in order to see the chord, let's deselect our Mach number contours, our pressure contours as well. And there's our chord line. So now we're going to create a plane at the same location. I will call this plane 2. The z location will be negative 0.2 as well. Hit Apply. We can simply deselect the plane 2. Finally, we're going to create a polyline along which we're going to plot the pressure coefficient. So in Location, go to Polyline. I would call this Polyline 2. The method will be a boundary intersection. We're going to have our wing surface intersecting with plane 2. Hit Apply. And now you can see that we have our polyline. Next, we're going to create an expression so that we are plotting our x-coordinate over the length of the chord at our span-wise location of 0.2 feet. To do this, go to the Expressions tab. You can right-click and select New. I will name this new expression x over L 2. Hit OK. So now we have to enter the details of our expression. Enter the following: x minus min val parentheses of x at chord 2, or whatever you named your chord line, divided by max val x at chord 2 minus min val x at chord 2. Hit Apply, and you'll see that we have a variable. Now, in the Variables tab, you can right-click and select New. I'm going to name the variable x over L 2. The method will be expression, and the expression will be the one that we just created. Hit Apply. So now we are ready to create our chart. Click on the Chart button and name it CP2. Now, in the data series, let's name Series 1 Fluent, and our source will be the location Polyline 2. On the x-axis, go to Variable and select the variable that we just created, x over L2. On the y-axis, we'll be plotting the pressure coefficient. And we're going to want to invert the axis. Hit Apply, and you can see our pressure coefficient. Go to the x-axis, and let's adjust our range to be from 0 to 1. Now, let's compare our fluent results to the experimental results. Go to Data Series, and let's create a new series. Let's name this Experimental Data. The source will be from a file that you've downloaded. Select the file, open, and apply. Under Line Display, for the experimental data, change the line display to none, and let's use symbols instead. Hit Apply, and there's our plot.